First, open Settings. Click Start, type Settings, and open it. From the left side, go to Accessibility, scroll down, and click Keyboard. Now look for Filter keys and make sure it's turned off. Once that's off, close Settings and test your Windows key again. If it's still not working, let's restart Windows Explorer. Click Start, search Task Manager, and open it. In the search box at the top, type Windows Explorer. When you see it, right-click it and choose Restart. After it reloads, check your Windows key again. Still no luck? Next, update your keyboard driver. Click Start, search Device Manager, and open it. Find Keyboards, expand it, then right-click your keyboard device and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows check if there's an update. If you've tried everything and the Windows key still won't respond, there's one last quick trick. Press FN plus Windows key at the same time. On most laptops, the FN key plus Windows key can toggle the Windows key back on. That's it. Try those steps and your Windows key should be working again. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.